in the Kia dealership work their car, and letting everybody know that cowbells. Yeah, ringing the cowbells and everything, letting you know somebody just purchased a brand new car.
My customer, this brand, has just purchased a new 2024 Kia Telluride.
I know. Why am I still buying graphic t-shirts? I am still buying t-shirts, and it is cold outside. It's cold outside, but it's warm in the house. Anywho, I got these shirts right here from Temu. All right, so these shirts can be put away for next summer, or either if I want to wear them around the house, I can. I got that option to do so. It's warm in my house, but it's cold outside. So you know I got my girls again, right? When I seen this t-shirt, I had to have it. It's in black and white, TLC. Y'all know these are my girls right here. Y'all, I got these t-shirts off the men's side. They fit better. They fit better. It's the Principality. It's the Principality, Smokey. Y'all know this t-shirt right here. Y'all know them from Friday. Love me some Chris Tucker. I forget his name, the big guy. I forget his name. But yeah. I have so many graphic t-shirts. Girl, you making t-shirts. How are you making t-shirts and you're still buying them? Because they don't have these ones where you can iron on. Not yet. Second time I purchased this shirt. This is pink. The first time I got the shirt, it was too small. But this is my girl, you know. So I had to get it again. And I had to get the correct size, even though I'm losing weight. But I ain't that small, okay? So I got my girl pink. Also, I got my girl Sade. Now, this time, the eyes are in. Let me tell y'all, I ordered a Sade shirt. It was made a different way. It had Sade posing in 3 different poses. And on all 3 of her faces, the eyes parts was gone. The eyes was missing. That shirt was so scary. And I said I was going to throw that shirt in the trash. This right here one right. Love. So now we get into the long sleeves. Okay, this is more like it. We get into the long sleeves now. Okay, y'all, we back up to speed now. This is a sweatshirt right here. And it got girls on here again. TLC, Crazy, Sexy, Cool. And I got this in gray. And this is a extra large. I made sure I got it extra large because I wanted the shirt to fit big. I wanted it to fit big. Not snug, but big. And I also got it again in this pretty purple color. And once again, I got an extra large. I wanted it big and baggy. TLC is my girls. I don't care. I love these girls. I love all the songs that they made. Yes. So this concludes everything that I got from Temu. Let me show you the few outfits I got from Shein. I mean, Temu wrap their packages really good and secure, especially when you got something that lights up. They want to make sure they do not break the product or they get broken in shipping, because a lot of times when the packages are being delivered, the postal men got a habit of throwing it up on the porch. They don't care if it's glass or whatever. They don't know. As long as it feels like it's light, they're going to throw it. And a lot of things get crashed up and broke that way. So bring you guys back. I'm going to show you guys what it is. But this is the double wrap that they had the item in. And they had it in this right here too. Ooh, I love this right here. Your item do not get broke. Then they got it in that. So charger on it.
Although I find they do make quite a mess. So if you don't want to vacuum all the time, it's probably best not to get one of those.
I got the little switch.
Pouch.
Isn't that nice? The front and the back part look nice. That is nice. Yes. So this is nice. And that's off and that's on. Okay, thanks, Tamma. This right here, it says, the joy of the Lord is your strength. Read me when happy, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, sad. Color-coded Bible verses. I think this is really nice. You just open a jar, and you pull out a verse. So let me see which one I have here. Okay. So this one says, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Okay. And you just put them back in here. I guess you just randomly pick one, you know. So this is pretty cool here. Okay. This right here, like tumbler. And it says, put on the full armor of God. Against these demons out here, put on the belt of truth, the gospel of peace, the helmet of salvation, the breastplate of righteousness, the shield of faith, and the sword of the Spirit. I know that's right. We need all of this to live in this world. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a few things that I won from playing Farmland and the items that I got from Tamu Circle. Tamu Circle, you get credit rewards, you get credit back. You get circle deals of the day, you get sales hub, and you get monthly random gifts. And I'm going to show you the monthly random gifts that I got first. I got a pack of these headbands right here. And I know my daughter and my granddaughter, you know, will like these little headbands. So this is what they gave me free. And what else I got? This random little case right here. I mean, you can put your pens and pencils in it. But you know what I'm going to use it for? My makeup brush. Because, you know, I do use foundations from time to time. And instead of messing up my my cosmetic purse, I guess I'll put it in this first. Then, if my cosmetic bag is long enough, I'll just put this in it like that. That way all the makeup will stay right in this case. Okay. From Tamu Circle. Here is a multi-function folding washing machine. Clothes fitting, clothes healthy and clean. So this is what I want, y'all, playing Farmland. Okay. So let me go ahead and open it up. I have to find this little slicer that I got from Tamu. I don't know if I purchased this or did I get it, you know, or did they just give it to me? Well, let's go ahead, you guys. This is what it's looking like, and I got this in the color lavender. It took me a while, y'all, but I won 3 gifts. I won this right here. I got a thing of little small Dixie cups for my Dixie cup machine. And I also got like a pajama set, like the shorts and the tank top, which I had already worn that, and it's in the dirty clothes. And the Dixie cups are already in the Dixie cup dispenser. So this was the last thing that I didn't take out because I wanted to show you guys. So, okay. Let me take it out. This is everything right here. This is to the handle. Let me go ahead and pull it up. This is what the bottom part look like. I'm going to push this part down in and pull the sides up. Okay, you guys, I had a time pulling that up. So this is how deep it goes. And this right here is where you put this right here, the plug in. This is where I put the plug in at. And I don't know, where's the on and off? It says you have 10 minutes standard, 15 soft washing, and 2 minutes, what it says, semi-dehydration, and this is the switch. It says switch, so, here is the little manual, so you guys, I will have to see exactly how this works. Okay, and this is how deep it is, and this is your little wash basin. I don't know which way it goes, But I guess, okay, there it is. And yeah, so I guess you probably can get away with washing like a pair of your unmentionables or something like that, or a pair of socks or something like that. It's really nice. And here's the little lid. Okay, so I guess the lid goes back here like that. Yeah, so I was looking at something like this, but I'm glad that I won it, so I didn't actually, didn't have to pay for it. But I guess once I get the hang of it, this would be really, really nice. You know what I mean? And you can't beat that. It's really, really cute. And I wish I had something to wash in it so I can show you guys exactly how it goes. But and I also got the electronic pedicure tool. I'm gonna open everything. This is the USB cord. These are the extra little pedicure pieces. I guess if you needed to replace this part right here. Got this switch right here. And this right here, y'all, actually lights up green. Let me take it over here. That lights up green, and you have to push that, and let it go. I guess when you want to start following down the heel of your feet, you use that for the heel of your feet, and this just goes slower, and you hold it, and it goes off. So yeah, so this is for your feet, the heel. And it's like a palmer stone, like this part right here is like a palmer stone. But it's just an electronic one, So, that's glam. This is called Rick and Morty. This is Pickle Rick setting spray, spray fixture, Pickle Rick. And somebody told me that this setting spray works so good. This is why I got it. Okay? So it says shake the bottle well. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over entire face. Use before and after applying makeup. So let me open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, I know it looks so kiddie-ish, but my girlfriend said this works really, really well. And I work with her, and I notice her makeup always stays on. She ain't going in the bathroom touching up or nothing. I said, what you use on your face? She said, I use that setting spray from Shein, the one called Rick and Morty. I was like, what? And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and look for that Rick and Morty. Okay, let me open it up. Oh my goodness, y'all. This stuff it smells like pickles. Now, I don't want to be walking around smelling like pickles. It's a sweet pickle smell. It's a sweet pickle smell. I'm telling you guys. It smells like a hint of pickles. I mean, it's not strong, but it smells like pickles. But anywho, y'all, I'll give it a try. It looks crazy, but it works. Okay? Looks can be deceiving. So let me go ahead and try it. I'm telling you guys it works. And I haven't even tried it yet. Oh, boy. Okay. And I got this right here for the sink. Because, we do our hair and everything in the bathroom. I always try to keep the stopper. But, a lot of times the hair still goes down the drain. And so I got this right here. So I can just scoop it up out my sink before it run over and before it gets stopped all the way up. Okay. I got these cute pants right here. It says black is colorful, and it has the red and white down the side of the leg. And as you can see, these are like a navy blue color, and they fit like leggings. Really, really cute. And it also has the top that match that's in this color right here. Let me show you. And here's the top that matches. I got this in a 1X. I could have bought this in a large because this shirt is really, really wide. And I am not that wide. I'm big, y'all, but not that wide, okay? So this is a cute little set, and I'm going to put this away for when it start getting warm again. I'm not going to wear this outside now. I'm going to put it back in the bag and put it up. I also got another set made like this. Here's the other set right here. And down the leg is a blue and white stripe. And it says the same thing. Black is colorful. And here's the top. And I got this in a 1X as well. as you can see up there. So I really like them for the leggings, and they fit so nice. I just love these sets right here. I said I was going to get it in all colors, but I don't want nobody to think that I'm wearing the same set twice. You know what I mean? So these right here is the red and white on this leg, or these pants. And this right here is the blue and white. And I got the top right here. Actually, you could mix match the top to each pants because it still got the same color on the word black and colorful. So, well, it matches the word black. So I can wear it either way, you know. So I told y'all guys this was a small haul from Temu, and she...